Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to send dice on Monopoly Go. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So first off, how to send dices in Monopoly Go. So actually there's no other way to send dices here anymore. It was an old feature that has been scrapped or just a myth perhaps. So I will show you how to do it really in the game. So here, just refer them to your friends and family and add friends. Here you will see contacts where they will get free dices for just inviting their Facebook and or invite their friends through contacts. As you can see here, there's a 30 dice per contact once you invite friends. So you just press that and identify friends and place their phone number. And once they have been added to the game, once they have added people into the game, there you go. That's just basically how you send dice on Monopoly. So there's no other way to do it anymore. So unfortunately, if you're one of those people who wants to get free dice, I'm sorry to say, but there's no more way to do it. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to the video. See you again next time.